Good morning, everybody. It's Mrs. Habib. Let me hear you go, woo! Do that again. Woo! Now do the opposite. Woo! Now let's go down and then up. Woo! Time to sing our hello song. Hello, hello, class. How are you today? Wonderful. Sing with me all together, sing with me all together, sing with me all together. Won't you be my darling? Now this time I'm going to keep playing my ukulele. You're going to do whatever I say to do. This next I'm giving you a heads up. It says jump. Here we go. Jump with me all together, jump with me all together, jump with me all together. Won't you be my darling? How about we'll spin this time? Ready? Spin with me all together, spin with me all together, spin with me all together. Won't you be my darling? How about we stomp? So you're going to have to stay standing and you're going to stomp your feet, okay? Stomp with me all together, stomp with me all together, stomp with me all together. Won't you be my darling? How about we'll wave our arms, okay? Here we go. Wave your arms all together, wave your arms all together, wave your arms all together. Won't you be my darling? How about this time? Shake your head, and you can shake it however you want. You might shake it like this, you might shake it like this, you might just kind of go all over the place. Any way is fine, okay? Shake your head all together, shake your head all together, shake your head all together. Won't you be my darling? How about, clap your hands. Let's try that. Clap your hands all together, clap your hands all together, clap your hands all together. Won't you be my darling? Sit back down all together, sit back down all together, sit back down all together. Won't you be my darling? Wonderful. Now, I'm going to sing another song, and I know this is going to be a little different because I'm not actually at your house right now, and you're not actually at my house, but I know your names. And so we're going to sing a song. We're going to sing Skip to My Lou, and I'm going to say somebody's name. And hopefully it's you. But if it's not, you're still going to sing with me, okay? Ooh, excuse me. Hi, Sophia, I see you. Hi, Eugenio, I see you. Hi, Anaya, I see you. Skip to my Lou, my darling. How about three other names? And you're going to keep waving at whoever it is. Here we go. Hi, Brandon, I see you. Hi, Emma, I see you. Hi, Jaden, I see you. Skip to my Lou, my darling. How about we'll do this 2 more times, okay? Hi, Wahad, I see you. Hi, Yesenia, I see you. Hi, Yaritza, I see you. Skip to my Lou, my darling. How about last one, okay? Thinking about who I'm going to sing about today. All right, maybe it's you. Here we go. Hi, Jose, how are you? Hi, Bryce, I see you. Hi, other Sophia, I see you. Skip to my Lou, my darling. I know we have a lot of Sophias at Mayfair, so that's why I sang Sophia twice. That's silly, isn't it? Well, I hope you're all doing a great job. I have a special friend who's with me. We're not going to see her quite yet. We'll see her later, but you might hear her. She's moving around. And you might not know this, but my recording device is on my table. So this person is walking under the table. Some of you might know who I'm talking about. Some of you, this is going to be a surprise. Okay. How about we do a little bit of note reading? We'll play some games, and then you'll get to see my friend. Sound good? Yeah. All right. Well, last week we looked at some funny symbols and they kind of looked like this. And this says, if you can't see, reading rhythms and words. So we're looking at the rhythm. The rhythm are the symbols in the background. I know first graders, you know what I'm talking about because we've talked about this a lot more this year. Kindergartners, we started to talk about this a little bit. We'll learn more about this next year in first grade, okay? So we have rhythms, and the rhythms just tell us how long or how short the sounds are going to be. This song, it's helpful that the words match the rhythm. Sometimes that doesn't happen, but in this song, the words match the rhythm. And so it helps us see when notes are really short and long, short, long, short, long. Let's see, how about we just read it? We won't sing it yet. And I'm gonna hold it up so you can see it. Yeah, you're right. It does say clickety, clickety, clack. And then this thing is gonna symbolize our rest. So we're gonna be quiet, okay? Here we go. Clickety, clickety, clack, rest. Clickety, clickety, clack, rest. Clickety, 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 clack. Wow, we certainly have a lot of clicketies at the end, don't we? Can we count them in each line? Let's see how many clicketies we have. We have clickety, that's one. Clickety, that's two, right? So we have two in the first line. Clickety, clickety. Now let's look at the second line. How many do you think we have? Let's count them. Clickety, that's one, you're right. And then clickety, yeah, two. So we have two clicketies in this line, two clicketies in this line. Let's see how many clicketies we have down here. Clickety, that's one. Clickety, that's two. Clickety, that's three. Clickety, that's four. Clickety, that's five. Oh no, I ran out of fingers. Clickety. We have 6 clicketies on that bottom line. Isn't that amazing? So we have 2, 2, and then 6. Yeah. Let's count how many clacks we have in each line. So let's look at the first one. Clack. Do we have any other clacks there? No, so it's just one. Now let's look at the second line. Clack. Yep, just one. Let's look at the last line. Clack. Just one. So just one clack in every line. How about the rest? Let's count the rest. Just one. Just one. Just one. So the only symbol that can increase, meaning we have more of them, are the clicketies, right? Now let's try singing it. And as we're singing, I want you to try to see if you can figure out which rhythm is made of shorter notes and which one is made of longer notes. So remember, if things are shorter in music, that means that they're going to sound faster to us, but they're really just shorter. More of them fit into the same amount of space. So let's see if we can find the shorter notes as we're singing. Here we go. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, 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 clack. Yeah. Do you have any ideas on which notes could be the shorter ones? Are they the clicketies, the clacks, or the rests? Let's try it again, okay? Here we go. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, 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 clack. Brew. Sorry, it's my cat freaking out in the other room. So our clicketies are actually moving shorter because there are 3 of them in each group. Do you see that? Clickety. If we were to take the words out, just hear that sound, it'd be, take just one out. Yeah. So our clickities are shorter, our clacks are longer. And some of you might remember what our line for clack actually is. It's just one vertical line. It's what we would say for ta. Do you remember that? So how about this time? We'll sing clickety, clickety, ta. We'll say ta every time we have clack. Okay, let's try it. Here we go. Clickety, clickety, ta. Clickety, clickety, ta. Clickety, 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 ta. Great. This time I'm not going to point at it, and we're going to sing it the same way, but I want to see if you can do it without me pointing. Okay? Here we go. Clickety, clickety, ta. Clickety, clickety, ta. Clickety, 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 ta. Wonderful. Say clack instead of ta this time. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, 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 clack. Excellent. How about this time? We'll learn what the clickities are called when we say rhythm words. The clickities, when we say rhythm words, we say triple T. So we'll go triple T, ta. Okay, let's try it. Here we go. Triple T, ta. Triple T, ta. Triple T, triple T, triple T, triple T, triple T, triple T, ta. Do you think you could do that without me pointing? Let's try it. Here we go. Triple T, ta. Triple T, ta. Triple T, triple T, triple T, triple T, triple T, triple T, ta. Fantastic. Do you think you could sing it the same way like this? So with triple T's and tas. Let's try it. Here we go. Triple T, ta. Triple T, ta. Triple T, triple T, triple T, triple T, triple T, triple T, ta. So we have a couple of differences here, don't we? Yeah, first of all, the notes are on some other lines, aren't they? Look, on this side, they don't have a background, and on this one, they have a background. I wonder what that could be. We might talk about that in the future. We're not going to quite talk about that today, but it is something to notice that there is a difference. What else is different? Do we have 2 lines of music or 3 lines of music? 1 line, 2 lines, right? But let's look at what we had before. We had 1, 2, 3. So what they did on the other side is they took this one and put it up here, like that. See? Yeah. Something else that's different, the words are written under the notes. And so now we can see the notes fully. Do you see how they have little dots? We call these note heads, which is what they're called. Okay. Let's try singing it with the words. And I want you to point along with me. Here we go. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, 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 clack. You sing it this time without pointing, okay? Here we go. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, 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 clack. Wonderful. Awesome. You did a great job reading those notes. Okay. I have somebody with me. It's Bluebird. Let's say hi, Birdie. And he's going to help us sing. Bluebird, bluebird, through my window. Bluebird, bluebird, through my window. Bluebird, bluebird, through my window. Oh, Johnny, aren't you tired? Bluebird, you need to stay in the screen. You see what? Let's keep him down here. Do you think you could make a birdie with your own hand? All right, I want to see you try it. Get your hand ready. Here we go. Bluebird, bluebird, through my window. Bluebird, bluebird, through my window. Bluebird, bluebird, through my window. Oh, Johnny, aren't you tired? Now this time, I want you to notice when Birdie goes up and when he goes down. And when he's going up and down, what do you think could be happening with your voice? Let's try it as we sing, okay? Here we go. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Oh, Johnny, aren't you tired? So what is Birdie doing when our voice goes higher? He's going up. What does he do when our voice goes lower? He goes lower, doesn't he? It's a little strange to think about, isn't it? Can we try that one more time? And you're going to make your birdie move with my birdie. And we're going to try to match what's happening with our voice. Here we go. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Oh, Johnny, aren't you tired? All right, let's say goodbye, Birdie. He's gonna go fly away. I have a friend who's gonna come see us a little early today because we're gonna meet her cousin in just a moment. Let's see her. I wonder who it is. It's Betty. Let's say hi, Betty. Betty, are you an excited dog? Why are you so excited, Betty? They don't even know yet. I'm gonna tell them right now, okay? You're gonna meet Betty's cousin right now. She looks a lot like Betty. Her name is Sadie. Some of you may have met Sadie last year, but a lot of you haven't had the chance to meet Sadie yet. So you're gonna get to see her in just a minute. How about before we meet her, could we sing Skip to My Lou? And then we'll sing Clickety Clack, and then we'll sing Bluebird, and then we'll meet Sadie. Isn't that exciting? All right, here we go. Let's sing Skip to My Lou. How about we say, hi, Mrs. Habib, hi, Betty, and then we'll say, hi, Sadie. Because she's wandering around the room. Here we go. Hi, Mrs. Habib, I see you. Hi, Betty, I see you. Hi, Sadie, I see you. Skip to my Lou, my darling. And now let's sing Clickety Clack. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, clickety, clack. Clickety, 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 clack. And how about we sing Bluebird? There we go. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Oh, Johnny, aren't you tired? All right. You ready to meet Sadie? Let me get my camera ready. She doesn't even know this is going to happen. She's going to get really excited. Sadie! Say. So this is Sadie. Hey, Sadie, look up. Come here. Do you see her? Say. Say hi to my kids. She's being silly. You silly dog. Say. So this is Sadie. She is Betty's cousin. You see she has the same spots. And she has a pink collar because that's her favorite color. And she just had her nails painted. I don't know if you can see them. I'm going to try to show you. There's her pink nails. So she's my fancy dog. And last year she got to come meet everybody at school. This year we can't do that. But I thought it'd be fun if you got to meet her when she's here at my house. So let's see her again. Say. Just a good Sadie. She's such a sweet dog. She told me that she misses you guys and she wishes she could come to school. That was one of her favorite things all year. She loved going to school because you guys got to pet her. She has long ears, doesn't she? Long ears. Yep. And she's kind of messy because her ears are long. Her ears are like hair. But when she's down on her legs, they drag on the ground. And so sometimes they get dirt on them. Yeah. Yeah, are we not petting you enough? She's looking at me like, there she is. All right. I'm going to say goodbye, everybody. Let's say goodbye, Betty. Let's say goodbye, Sadie. And then we're going to sing our goodbye song really quick. Get my ukulele. Here we go. Goodbye, goodbye, class. I will see you next Tuesday. I hope you have a great rest of this week. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.